Hey there everyone, Indro here. In this video, Fabio and I decided to duke out in a Benny's Edit Race inspired Edit Showdown. Now if you're already familiar with Benny's Edit Race, you know the drill. Both the artists will be given the same set of stock images and we would need to turn it into something using Photoshop. Coming to the stock images, here they are, and Fabio chose all of them. I feel these images have got a whole lot of possibilities and different artists could create fantastic compositions out of them. Now about Fabio, he is an amazing creator with a unique style. All his artworks have fantastic concepts and they're pretty interesting. I have put a link to both of his YouTube channel and Instagram profile. Don't forget to check them out. Coming to the rules of the Edit Showdown, we can only use the stock images provided and no other extra images. We have to use all of the stock images, how small they may be. We can however use overlays like particles and sparks, and finally the artwork has to be in a 4:5 ratio. Well then, without further ado, let's get started. So here goes the final results. What Fabio created here is absolutely brilliant. His artwork has an otherworldly feel to it and it looks like some alien landscape. The way he put the woman inside the crystallized structure in these trees is really genius. I could have never thought of creating something like this. Too good. Now about my artwork, I tried to give it a Tomb Raider style feel. I made a scene of some ancient ruins and this explorer has reached the destination guided by these mystical crystals. I had no idea where to put the woman, so I turned her into a stone statue and blended her with the scene. I always feel these edit showdowns are not to compete with each other, but they reveal how different artists think and perceive compositions. It's really wonderful to see how various artists transform the same set of stock images into an entirely different work of art. Do let me know what you think about our compositions in the comments below. And if you like my work, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a whole lot to me. Well then, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video and till then, enjoy creating.